It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, DVD audio, push button start, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,